Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an entire apartment complex for sale, located in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and sits on 0.14 acres. This is a great investment. 5 units with independent meters, 4 two-bedrooms and 1 studio, large and spacious, good condition, ample parking, and close to the town center. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.